Here's the outside of the triangle deck. Gorgeous. When you look at this band board, look, all these fasteners on this band board were open and exposed to the elements where they would rot, right? Or I'm sorry, where they would rust. Look at the fasteners now. All covered over, you know, all covered over. Maximum protection deck post, SilverBack Epoxy. We had large giant cracks in this that went down the length of it. SilverBack Epoxy inside of here. Close this off. SilverBack is harder than concrete. You can take a knife, whatever you want, jab at that stuff's not coming out of there. Then we sealed these deck posts, all of them were water. It's waterlocked. Water can't get down in there. There can't be mold and mildew that starts to grow down in there. Kong is the ultimate in protection for decks, docks, fences, outdoor structures. It's the only coating system in the world backed by a lifetime limited warranty locally and a lifetime service promise locally. Act now to get the world's toughest deck armor. Go to kongarmor.com and sign up for a free quote today. See you.